So, did you do something like that or set some milestones and some like things to motivate you to keep you focused? Like what helped keep you going?
Yeah, I will say that's like one of my regrets because again, like I was saying, I had a really hard time coming to terms that like I was I was fat, okay, and I didn't take very many pictures at the beginning. Like
Because you
that's
didn't want to take, I know clients tell me that all the time. They don't want to take pictures because they realize that they don't like the way they look.
yeah, so that's like one of my big regrets. But then I was like, screw it, I'm taking the pics, and if I feel disgusting or like not my best, I can look back and just know that I'm never going there again. So some of my things was like I had a bikini that like will fit regardless. So I had taken photos of it in it when I first started. Again at 3 months, 6 months, and I need to take like some more photos in it because it's just like the fit of the bikini has completely changed. My body has changed, and then it's just like seeing yourself in the same outfit or the same like whatever.
Right.
It's just like wow, So
And you've had to get all new clothes or a lot of new clothes, correct?
all new clothes, literally. Like I am still working on that because I put something on and I'm like, this doesn't fit, and it used to be tight. It used to be
Yeah.
tight. Like I used to have to squeeze my fat thighs into it, and like now there's no way it's fitting. And I do remember like a conversation I had with like my friend once where like I think I was maybe moving or something, and I'm like, I can get rid of any like pants that are a size 25. And she's like, well, no, I wouldn't do that. And I'm like, well, you don't understand. Like, I'm into my adult body now. I'm never going to be able to fit size 25 again, blah, 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 blah.
Oh,
Then
you got rid of your small
got rid
clothes?
of it because I'm like, I'm in my woman body now. And like, this is just how it's going to be. Then like a few weeks ago, I like need to go shopping for jeans, and I'm like now size 24 in jeans. And
Oh, wow.
I thought that like that was like,
They're not
had
still back in Kentucky? You didn't leave them back in Kentucky? Those.
no, I thought it had come and gone. And I remember like getting such an attitude with her, probably because I felt defensive about my body.
Right.
But I'm just like, I'm never going to be that size again. Like, you can have them. I got to get rid of them, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, that should have been a huge sign there. So,
Yeah.